Mindfulness is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and has become increasingly popular in recent times. Mindfulness involves being present and fully engaged in the current moment, without judgment or distraction. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your overall well-being. In this video, we will explore some mindfulness exercises that you can try on your own. The first exercise is called the body scan. Find a comfortable place to lie down and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, and then bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations in your toes, such as warmth or tingling. Move your attention slowly up your body, noticing any sensations you feel along the way. You may notice tension or discomfort in certain areas, and that's okay. Just observe these sensations without judgment, and then move on to the next part of your body. Continue scanning up your body, all the way to the top of your head. When you're finished, take a few deep breaths and then slowly open your eyes. The second exercise is called mindful breathing. Find a comfortable place to sit and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, and then bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of air moving in and out of your nose or mouth. You may notice your mind wandering, and that's okay. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Continue this practice for a few minutes, or as long as you like. The third exercise is called mindful walking. Find a quiet place to walk, such as a park or a quiet street. Begin by walking slowly and deliberately, paying attention to the sensation of your feet on the ground. Notice any sights, sounds, or smells around you. You may notice your mind wandering, and that's okay. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently bring your attention back to your walking. Continue this practice for a few minutes, or as long as you like. Conclusion. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. By incorporating mindfulness exercises into your daily,